So to visually convey this, just so you guys understand, we got our table rows, but we want table row 2, and then we want so this is what we want right here, guys. This matching with this. And you guys see how it intersects to 150,000? That's exactly what we have achieved with this algorithm here. So we get our salary locator, and that will allow us to get our driver.find by element salary element. So I'm going to step in, and so now we have our salary element. Let me open it up for you guys just so you can see the beauty. And now you can see the text right here is 150,000. And that is how much a software development engineering test makes. And that's exactly correct, as you guys see. And then you can obviously use console.writeLine to write that statement out. And we have solved our problem. How awesome was that? And then basically it's going to increment the column counter and then run through the rest of the loops, but all of those are irrelevant. And that solves a problem, and I can probably wrap this in a function for you guys to make it even better. So let me just actually finish running through it so that it closes all the browsers and cleans up the drivers and so on. Excellent. So the other really cool thing about it, right, is if I wrap this mechanism in a function, is that all I have to do is change this. So if I'm looking rather for salary, I'm looking what kind of work does software development engineering test do? I just change this column, this value right here. But what if I want the salary of a quality assurance engineer? Then I just change this value right here. And the algorithm is actually going to be exactly the same, but it's just going to come out with a different result. Now, how freaking sweet is that, guys?